Hello guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel. I am your host John Diop. Hope you guys doing well. In this video, we will discuss about why iPhone hotspot disconnect automatically. Please subscribe our YouTube channel. Updates by John. In an increasingly connected world, the iPhone hotspot feature has become an indispensable tool, transforming your device into a portable Wi-Fi hub. However, encountering issues with your iPhone hotspot can be frustrating, especially when you rely on it for internet connectivity on the go. In this comprehensive guide, we'll explore common iPhone hotspot problems and provide practical solutions to help you restore this invaluable feature to its full functionality. 1. Understanding the basics. Before delving into solutions, let's take a moment to understand the basics of the iPhone hotspot feature. Essentially, the hotspot allows your iPhone to share its cellular data connection with other devices, turning it into a Wi-Fi access point. This can be immensely useful when you need internet access for your laptop, tablet, or other devices. Common hotspot issues. Connection drops. Unable to connect. Another common problem is difficulty connecting to the iPhone hotspot. Whether the Wi-Fi network isn't visible or the connection fails consistently, these issues can hinder your ability to use the hotspot as intended. Sometimes, the hotspot may be active, but data speeds are slow, impacting the overall internet experience. This can be particularly frustrating when you need a reliable and fast connection. Troubleshooting steps. Start with the basics. Turn off the hotspot on your iPhone, wait a few seconds, and then turn it back on. This simple action can often resolve minor glitches and re-establish a stable connection. B. Check cellular data connection. Ensure that your iPhone has a stable cellular data connection. If you're in an area with poor reception, it might affect your hotspot's performance. Move to a location with better signal strength and try again. See Update iOS. Outdated software can contribute to hotspot issues. Check if your iPhone is running the latest iOS version. If not, go to Settings, General Software Update and install any available updates. D. Reset network settings. Navigate to Settings, General Reset, and select Reset Network Settings. Keep in mind that this will erase saved Wi-Fi passwords and other network-related settings, so be prepared to re-enter this information. Modify hotspot settings. Access the hotspot settings on your iPhone and make sure they align with your preferences. You can change the Wi-Fi password, enable/disable the Ask to Join Networks feature, and adjust other settings as needed. F. Check hotspot data limit. If your carrier imposes data limits on hotspot usage, ensure you haven't exceeded the allocated amount. Check your carrier's settings or contact them for information on your plan's hotspot data limit. 4. Advanced solutions. Reset all settings. For persistent issues, you can try resetting all settings on your iPhone. This won't erase your data, but will reset system settings to default. Go to Settings, General Reset, reset all settings. B. Contact carrier support. If none of the above solutions work, it's advisable to contact your carrier's customer support. There could be carrier-specific settings or issues affecting your hotspot functionality that they can address. C. Visit Apple support. If the problem persists, it's time to seek assistance from Apple support. Visit the Apple support website or make an appointment at an Apple store or authorized service provider for further diagnosis and assistance. 5. Preventive measures. To avoid future hotspot issues, consider implementing these preventive measures. A. Regularly update iOS.